Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shara and you're watching Shara makeup tutorial. So in today's video, I'll show you how to achieve this makeup look. It's an Indian traditional makeup look. You can carry this look at parties, sangeet, Indian weddings, anywhere. Let's get started. I already have moisturizer on my skin. I'm going to use LAKME foundation. I'm going to apply it with the help of foundation brush. I'm not using primer because this foundation already contains primer. After applying foundation all over my face, I'm going to blend it. It's giving me light to medium coverage, but it's definitely a buildable foundation, so you can get that medium to full coverage. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade of a concealer for my brows, so it will look like more sharp. For my eyes, I'm using this concealer stick to conceal my under eye area and eyelid. For my eye look, I'm taking here this shade as a transition shade. I'm going to apply it in my crease like this way. After transition shade, I'm using here Brick Trick shade from Revolution palette on my outer corner. So the next shade I'm using here is this orange shade. I'm going to use this shade only on my outer corner, and then I'm taking this My Precious only on outer line of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it. Next I'm using here copper shade and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. For my face contour, I'm using here contour palette. First I'm going to apply this concealer on the bridge of my nose and forehead, as you can see in the video. Next part is baking, so I'm using this loose powder on my under eye, as you can see in the video. After this, I'm using this bronzer for completing contour look. Now I'm removing all the loose powder from my face. Next I'm using this blush. After blush, I'm going to highlight nose tip, my cheekbone, upper lip and chin. For my lower lash line, I'm using this My Precious shade and orange shade. Next I'm using this mascara. Next I'm going to apply this black eyeliner. I'm using this white liner on my waterline. For my lip, I'm using this red shade lipstick. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.